Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channels. In today's video guys, I have a Hermes unboxing for you guys. This is a small items, and also let's unbox my early Christmas gift. And this is my first piece jewelry from Hermes that I own. So I saw this one on the website, to be honest with you, and I was like, I don't know, I want to see it in a person first, and I want to bring my partner so we can see what it thinks, what it's, so I think this is the item that I really caught my eye in the store. So yes, I went there in oh, Manchester guys, it's so much traffic going on, maybe because the Christmas, it's still November, but oh my god, it's just the traffic, it's queuing in there. I was stuck in the traffic there for 30 minutes just to get in the one of the parking lot there. So anyway, let's move on to unbox this. First thing first, she gave me a few samples. My SA, it's not there that day that I came because she's off and I want to go there on a weekend. So she gave me this free perfume in here. I think this is her new perfume. It's quite good sample size for the perfume. And I think this is the name of this Galop de Hermes. And she also gave me a few lipstick samples. These colors over here. And also, I have get another new nail polish because guys, the nail polish is worth it. Look at this. It's still not chipping at all. It just like the grow on my finger on the top is, that's it. Even though the brush, it's not even or something, it's like I don't know, but I think the product itself, it's good and really worth it. So the second one that I got is number 75 Rouge Amazon. I like red nail polishes, by the way. Mostly my nail polish is red, and I tried to get the blue one, but for some reason I was like, you know what, I don't want to spend so much money for just that I don't, display on it. I want to use something in it. So hold on guys, I'm trying to open it. So that's what it looks like, and this is the color. It's like a dark red orangey. This one that I have is the rose Indian. It's beautiful, like a pink and red undertone to it. This one is like dark red orangey, I think. For me, it's just what it looks like, but it's more like a dark red. So let's put it back. Now let's move on to the jewelry piece. I forgot what's the name of this. I just have the receipt over here, and she gave me also a blank card, which is really nice of her, and the receipt. And I wish that she gave me the name exact of the receipt, the name of a jewelry, but I guess it's not, just a, but I will leave some name in here. There it is. Jewelry box is the jewelry box. It's just too simple. I mean, I thought it comes with another box like a Cartier one, but it's not. This is the jewelry box. So the item guys is this. Look how cute it is. I've been eyeing this so much. That's etched over here. Let's see guys if you get to closely. Yeah, it's beautiful etch right there. It's so cute. And this there it is. I will leave right here. Perfect, just because this is the one last that was really perfect to put in there. Look how cute it is guys. Isn't it so cute? Even though it's like dainty, but what I love about this is this tangle itch over here. It's so cute, and it's good for stacking, by the way. And also I will put over here, it's fit in this side, but it's too a little bit tight. But hey, look at that, it's so cute. I'm thinking putting over here. I wish I get the size 52, but like I said, this is the last size they have in there. And yeah, look at that, guys, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, I really love this one. It's so cute. And also she said, oh no, this one is not a card, by the way. She said that the stamp, the, not sure, let me see, guys. Nope. I know she said they have a, let me see. She said to me that they have a authenticity for the this, okay, this one over here. This card is the authenticity card from Hermes. So they also stamp the date, that the day that you purchase, and also that this is a 18 karat gold. And yeah, that is a like a certificate, I think. That's what she told me. So yeah, I will keep this one, so at least I have the authenticity, because nowadays so many counterfeit going on, especially this luxury fashion house. So yeah, I'm really glad. And it's so cute, guys. I really love it like there. And even though it's a rose gold, oh, I forgot what's the name of this. Oh, let me check over here. Maybe it's the one in the book. Okay, let's see. No, guys, didn't tell you what's the name of the piece, but like I said, I will leave some here. And I was thinking that's why I get this one, because I can use this one as a pendant. So I have this one in Cartier. Well, this one is a rose gold, by the way, and I don't mind. And I'll just try on with this thing. See, guys, it's so cute when you use as a pendant as well. Look at that, it's so cute. It's in there, and my partner really liked it, and she said, yeah, go ahead and get that one. It's so cute, guys. So yes, that's it for my unboxing today. And I'm gonna put this one on my ring, because I really love putting my, I might put on the other side, because sometimes I don't. Yeah, that's really perfect size on this one over here. So anyway, guys, that's it for my Hermes unboxing today, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.